Hello, this will be a video tutorial. This will be a quick video tutorial where I show you how to build an app using Bolt and Figma together. So I found this approach to be very effective. Bolt is a new AI tool that can help you build apps from prompts. So you tell it what you want to build and it builds it for you with the technology stacks you specify. And Figma is a prototyping tool, so you can create mock UIs and then export them. Usually this is used by designers to pass on the designs to developers, but with Figma and Bolt I find both of them work together really well, because you can give the prototype to Bolt, and I myself have struggled a bit creating prototypes in Figma at first, but I'll just give you a basic walkthrough so that you won't have to go through the troubles I have gone through. Yeah, so Figma is free. Go to Figma and maybe create a new project, and you can create a new page. So in Figma everything is frames, and frames basically mean the screen. It could be a mobile screen or it could be a tablet screen. So they already provide a lot of screen sizes that are very popular, like for phones. We're going to choose MacBook Air here. So now you get a MacBook Air theme, MacBook Air size screen. So after this I would start adding. In the left side you could see the layers, and I would start adding what I need to my screen to look like. So if it's like, say, a thumbnail maker.com, so it's all just like using the regular Word or PowerPoint. You just have to play around and build stuff and UI. So the tricky part is adding UI components. So all you have to do is go to the assets tab and search for things that you're familiar with, like, say, for example, a divider, and it would bring up a component from the existing library. And that's not what I was looking for. So maybe a middle insert, and you can just keep playing around, and you would ideally build something that looks like a normal web app. So two samples I can show you is the ones I have been building here. So I add a text. So if you want to add text box, you can search for text or input, and then you can just drag them here. These are just all prototypes and nothing is real, so don't stress about it. There is no values or variables being set here, and you can keep on try adding different components to depending on what you want to build. So here I have a few inputs where I give a text, I give a title, and I give a bottom title, and this is the website name. So what I wanted with this app was to build a thumbnail generator. That means if I give inputs here, then it would generate a YouTube thumbnail on the right side, and I can just download the PNG. Pretty much does the job that Canva does, but on a much more niche audience. And this one is something I was trying to work on. This is a sample where you would post and expost, and it would fetch all the comments and send it to Twitter, send it to an LLM, and then try to summarize that and show the summary of the comments. So you would skip, if there is 400 comments, you don't have to read all of them. It would just summarize and show all the things here. So these are like prototypes I made. And then once you're done with the prototype, what you can do is, so you come here, select your frame, then go down and export, and go to Bolt, and just drop your framework in here and say that you want to build an app that creates YouTube thumbnail and also use React tech stack So pretty much this is all you need to do. I would expand on the prompt a little bit, but just for this video I'm just showing you a sample, and then once you're done with the prompt, and then you can tell it to refer the screenshot for a sample UI prototype. Yeah, just put in your favorite tech and just give it, press enter, and now the magic starts to happen. It's thinking. It has already generated a boilerplate code with a lot of defaults and stuff like that, and you can see CSS, TSX, app TSX, all of this, and it has actually started running npm install. That's crazy. That is really crazy. Okay, it's creating new files. So how many seconds did that take? All my explaining took probably 10 minutes, and this just took a couple of seconds. Okay, here you go. So it's actually running the the npm run behind the scenes, and it has even started the app in a VM. So I could just, so this app is ready now. This app is absolutely ready. So if I want to change to 11, that has updated here, and if I want to move it to optics or something like that, so it's just getting updated here, and I can download the thumbnails probably. No, I'm not sure. Hopefully it should work. So all this code you can just deploy in one click, and it's deploying to Netlify, running the build, and preview available. But yeah, I just want to, I don't know if it will work 100%, but most of the time it just works. Oh my goodness, it's just a joke. Look at that. Oh my god, that I just deployed the whole app in like less than 1 minute. Yeah, it even decided to give me different colors by itself without me asking it to do, which is actually something what I really wanted. So here you go, the app is ready for production. So if you use an API key, or you need an OpenAI call or something like that in your apps, it would create an environment file, and you can just pop it in here, and the code is already, and it's probably, I think I have linked the Bolt to my GitHub account, and this code may be saved in GitHub account, I think so. But yeah, this is how it works, guys. This is how it works. The world of coding has totally changed. You can build apps in seconds. This kind of apps, it's a dream. It's a dream we are living in the future. Thank you. Bye.